Yo, 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 what's good? It's your boy Nick Dob back with another banger. Today, we're going to be taking a look at gold, breaking it down, taking a look at what we see on the market as of today. And that is going to be actually a breakout pattern happening right now. We have a 4-hour wedge, bear flag breakout happening. Let's get right into it. So looking here on the market, we can actually see what we predicted went out pretty well. We had the divergence that happened here on the chart and on the RSI. We seen the higher high into another higher high, but on the RSI, we seen the higher high into a lower high. This gave us our divergence, and we did in the last video predict because of this, the market will show some signs of bearish price action, and that is exactly what happened. Once we found that support, I said at the mid-range of this RSI, we should pull back up, find resistance. Once that resistance was found, you can see here we are now going back down. So at this very moment, you can see I marked it here with this green circle. We are currently breaking out of this 4-hour pattern. If we look at the bigger picture, we do have the 4-hour breakout here from this area up top. We have the breakout, and typically what happens is from this breakout, you would take that flag pole, which you can see the price drop dramatically after that breakout from this level here, and formed the wedge. This wedge, this retracing market here, bouncing back and forth between these lines, is creating what you call a flag pattern. And once the flag pattern breaks structure, we can take the pole to the breakout area and predict the market should fall at least 50% towards this level. So our 50% marker is looking at 43.95, and if we do see price fall to this level here and find resistance and continue to fall, then we may see price continue to the target area, roughly 4,040. So price is looking bearish as of now. Like I said, we are currently breaking out of this huge 4-hour pattern, and we are seeing signs on the smaller time frame. Let's take a look at that here. So looking at the same chart on the 1-hour time frame, we can see that prices clearly broke below the 4-hour bear flag, and we actually broke below it Friday late noon before the market closed, and then Monday, or I should say Sunday rather, Sunday evening, we seen the market drop. So because of this market creating this gap during the open, we are seeing price fulfill this gap here, and only to start finding resistance here. So this could be the last push before the market continue downward. But typically we do like to see the price come back up to the pattern, maybe retest this level here before coming back down. So once we find out what support level is going to become resistance, we will then see the market start to turn. It clearly is not turning around this support here, so we can say this is invalid. We're currently at the next support area, previous support area. So once we find resistance here and the market starts to turn towards the downside, we can then confirm this level is the new resistance. Until then, we are currently just waiting. Follow me on the Discord, link down below, if you want to see when I will enter this trade. Taking a look here, guys, I am on my Funding Pips 50K account. Just purchased this account, cost me roughly $300 US. With this 50K account, I have approximately 3% I can lose in a day before they cancel me out, and I also have approximately 6% that I can lose total before they cancel me out. We're looking to make a $5,000 profit, which is roughly 10% of this account. So once we make that $5,000 profit, we will be able to be funded. I'm going for the bi-weekly payout, which is, I believe, at 80% profit split. That is what I look to do once I get this account funded. And like I said, I will be showing this account every video, showing you guys every trade we take to show you guys it's not hard to pass these funded accounts. These prop firms are not scary. You have to have a strategy, stick to your strategy, and make it happen. So stay tuned, and I will see you guys in the next one.